Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. Glenmuir High are on 7 points, Excelsior High are on 4. And just a clarification, Professor Trevor Munro is the head of the National Integrity Action, not the Integrity Commission, right? So we just wanted to make sure that that was clear. As we head into the Speed Challenge, teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. So Excelsior High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was married to the prophet Hosea?
Gomer.
That's right. In which specific part of the human body are the carpal bones found?
The feet.
The wrist, spell frivolous.
Frivolous.
No, Frivolous. Who is the United Nations Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Chief?
Nick Perry.
Sorry?
Nick Perry.
No, Martin Griffiths. When the moon appears to block the sun
Lunar
as seen
eclipse.
from Earth. No, what is the event called? It's a solar eclipse. What is the largest city located on 2 continents?
Istanbul.
That's right. Justin Bieber's song Baby features which artist?
Pass.
Ludicrous. What is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution called molarity? What are the prime numbers between 40 and 50?
41 and 47.
41, 43 and 47. You neglected 43. Who is the first person that turns to dust in the Avengers Infinity War film?
Pass.
Bucky, who was the co-founder and leader of the Committee for the Abolition of the British Slave Trade. William Wilberforce. Which NFL team has scored the most points in a single Super Bowl?
Pass.
San Francisco 49ers. What is the energy of moving parts called?
Ampere.
No, mechanical or kinetic energy. Well done, Excelsior, for your first minute. Glenmuir, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was married to Uriah the Hittite?
Bathsheba.
That's right. In which specific part of the human body are the radius and the ulna found?
Arm.
The forearm we wanted specifically. Spell meticulous.
Meticulous.
That's right. Who is the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights?
Samasmura.
No, Volker Turk. What is another name for a total lunar eclipse?
Pass.
Blood moon, which is the only continent with land in all 4 hemispheres?
Russia.
Africa, what is the name of the 2014 single that featured Jessie J, Ariana Grande, and Nicki
Bang Bang.
Minaj? Sorry?
Bang Bang.
That's right. Molality of a solution is measured in what units?
Unit.
Pass.
Moles per kilogram. What are the prime numbers between 70 and 80?
70 and 80, prime numbers.
71, 73, and 79.
Good. What's the name of Thor's home world in the Marvel
Asgard.
movies? What?
Asgard.
That's right. Who founded the British and Foreign Anti-Slavery Society in 1838 along with Lord Henry Brougham?
John Brown.
Joseph Sturge. What NFL team was originally called the Titans?
NFL team.
Pass.
That's the New York Jets. Well done, Glenmuir. For your first minute, coming back over to you now, Excelsior, it's time for your second minute. What office item is la grappadora?
Pen.
Stapler. What are the first and last names of the cold-hearted miser who despises Christmas in the novel A Christmas Carol?
Pass.
Ebenezer Scrooge. In the Jamaican folk song Before Me Married, what is the name of the young lady that got married?
Lizzie.
Liza. How many plagues affected Egypt in the
10.
book of Exodus? 10 is correct. The contraction AFib is often used to refer to irregular beating of the human heart. What is the full meaning of AFib?
Pass.
Atrial fibrillation. Identify the possessive pronoun in this sentence. Marianne liked my cookies more than yours.
Yours.
Correct. Who was president of Trinidad and Tobago until the end of 2022?
Bartolome Weeks.
Correct. Astrophobia is the fear of what?
Stars.
Thunder and lightning. Which South American capital was formerly known as Banda Oriental?
Brasilia.
Montevideo. Who recorded the best-selling country song Friends in Low Places?
Pass.
Garth Brooks. What element gives diamond its blue color?
Diamond. Copper.
Boron. What number is represented by the Roman numerals LXXXVI?
86.
Correct. Who played Jack in the film Titanic?
Leonardo DiCaprio.
And you are correct, but that came after the bell. Well done, Excelsior, for your second minute there. Glenmuir High, coming over to you now. Time for your second minute. What is a body's resistance to changes in motion or speed called?
Inertia.
That's right. What school items are los lápices de colores?
Color pencils.
That's right. In the novel A Christmas Carol, how many ghosts in total visit Scrooge?
5.
4. Complete the line in the Jamaican folk song. I don't know why some people bad-minded so. If you hold your head in the air, them say you.
Pass.
Feisty and fresh, me dear. In the Bible, which body of water did Moses part with his rod?
Red Sea.
Red Sea.
That's right. What is the name of the trap door on your windpipe which helps to keep out food particles?
Epiglottis.
That's correct. Identify the possessive pronoun in this. Whose bike is this? Is it his?
His.
That's right. Who is the president of Barbados?
Barbados.
Central Basin.
That's right. Nyctophobia is the fear of what?
Nicto.
Darkness. Darkness.
Correct. Which South American capital city is home to the Museo Larco collection of pre-Columbian art?
Santiago.
Lima. What was the profession of the person about whom Dolly Parton wrote the country song Jolene?
Secretary.
Bank teller. What element has the smallest atomic radius?
Hydrogen.
And we won't have time. That's helium. But well done, ladies, for your second minute. Excelsior, we're coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. Which colonizers of Jamaica changed the capital of the country in 1872?
English.
That's right. Which English Premier League football team plays home games at Bramall Lane?
Aston Villa.
Sheffield United. Impulse is the product of a force and what other quantity?
Pass.
The time interval during which it acts. What is the English translation for the announcement, La cena está servida? Dinner is served. Which character in Herman Melville's Moby Dick was the voice of reason? Starbuck. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Too much rataneba.
Diga kuruol.
Good, that's, yes. In the Bible, what is the first of the 10 Commandments given to Moses?
Don't have any other God before me.
That's right. The improper function of which gland in the body results in a condition called myxedema?
Pass.
The thyroid gland. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of deterred.
On the third.
That's right. Samia Suluhu is the president of Tanzania. Which African country has the most pyramids?
Egypt.
No, Sudan. In which Jamaican resort are Konoko Falls located?
Saint Anne.
Ocho Rios, we wanted the resort area. To which family? And that's the end of the third minute there. Well done, Excelsior. For your third and final minute, Glenmuir, coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. What are the Roman numerals for 92?
92. XCII.
Good. What was the name of Simba's father in The Lion King?
Mufasa.
That's right. Which Jamaican town was first known as Villa de la Vega?
Spanish Town.
That's right. Which English Premier League football team plays home games at Elland Road?
Manchester United.
Leeds. 3 of the 4 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. What is the 4th? Sorry?
Plasma.
That's right. What is the English translation for the direction gira a la derecha en la esquina? Esquina.
Turn right at the street.
Turn right at the corner. What character in the novel Holes had bad luck due to a curse placed on his great-grandfather Stanley Yelnats or cavemen? Complete the Jamaican proverb. Before good food poil.
Belly must bus.
Mek belly buzz. Yes, judges will accept. In the Bible, what is the final of the 10 Commandments given to Moses?
Final. Last commandment. Home.
Pass.
Thou shalt not covet. Which type of gastric glands are located closest to where the esophagus enters the stomach in humans?
Gastric glands.
Thymus.
No, that's the cardiac glands. Well done, nonetheless, Glenmuir, for your third and final minute there. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Glenmuir High pulling ahead to 24. Excelsior High still very much in the game on 14. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this. We go to a break with a special tip from Wata.
Finding it.